From the first iPhone to brain-computer interfaces, this is how smartphones will evolve over the next 100 years. Buckle up. 2025 to 2030, foldable phones become the standard. Every smartphone now unfolds into a tablet. Screen technology advances with under-display cameras and self-healing glass. 2030 to 2040, holographic displays emerge. Your phone projects 3D images into thin air. No more screens, just holograms floating above your hand. Video calls become truly immersive. 2040 to 2050, AR glasses start replacing phone screens. Your glasses project everything, texts, calls, apps, directly into your field of vision. Phones shrink to pocket-sized processors. 2050 to 2060, the first neural interfaces arrive. Small implants behind your ear connect directly to your brain. You can control your phone with thoughts. Type messages by thinking them. 2060 to 2070, brain chips become mainstream. Millions get implants that merge phones with consciousness. You can access the internet just by thinking. Information downloads directly to your brain. 2070 to 2080, physical smartphones disappear. Everything is integrated into your body. No more devices to carry. Your brain is the phone. Communication happens entirely through neural networks. 2080 to 2090, telepathy becomes real. People communicate mind to mind without speaking or typing. Thoughts transfer instantly across continents. Language barriers disappear. Thoughts are universal. 2090 to 2010, technology and biology merge completely. Humans are born with bio-integrated networks. Kids grow up with instant access to all human knowledge. Memory storage becomes unlimited. 110 to 2125, consciousness uploading becomes possible. Your mind can exist in digital form, independent of your body. Immortality through data. The smartphone evolved from device to consciousness itself. From the smartphone in your pocket to consciousness upload in the cloud. 100 years of evolution. The future isn't coming, it's already being built. Subscribe for more predictions.